Namaskar friends. M&C Education welcomes you all in its video session on general knowledge. In this video session on general knowledge, we are going to see collection of 25 very important questions, and the medium of instruction and discussion will be English. Without making any delay, let us begin today's session. Today's first question is question 1. Who among the following is the author of a collection of poems called Golden Threshold? Options are A. Aruna Asaf Ali, B. Annie Besant, C. Sarojini Naidu, D. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Please answer it. Who among the following is the author of a collection of poems called Golden Threshold? Aruna Asaf Ali, Annie Besant, Sarojini Naidu, Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Among these, Sarojini Naidu is the correct option. So, correct answer for this will be C. Sarojini Naidu. Let us now move to question number 2. Who is known as the father of modern India? Options are Ram Mohan Rai, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, W.C. Banerjee. Who is known as the father of modern India? Answer it. You can note down your answers in a notebook or on any rough paper and then tally it with our answers and decide on the score, overall score you have, and by that you will get where your preparation stands now and what improvement you need to do in your preparation. So, you please mark your answer on a rough sheet or any sheet or in a notebook and then tally it with our answers, and then you can decide how many were correct and how many were wrong out of 25 questions, as we are going to discuss 25 questions in all. Now question number 2 is who is known as the father of modern India, and the correct answer for this is Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Raja Ram Mohan Rai is known as the father of modern India. Question number 3. Which of the following is not an element of the state? Population, land, army, government. Which of the following is not an element of the state? Population, land, army, government. And correct answer for this is army. Remaining 3 are considered as element of the state. Let us move now on to question number 4. Question number 4 is dash is India's largest district area wise. Options are Bastar, Kutch, Leh Ladakh, Burdwan. Dash is India's largest district area wise. We need to answer which district of India is area wise the largest, and correct answer for this is C. Leh Ladakh. Leh Ladakh was in news when 370 Article 370 was removed from there, and now Ladakh has been made a union territory. Jammu Kashmir has also been made union territory but with legislative assembly, and there is a provision of election in coming time. So the correct answer for this is Leh Ladakh. Let us now move to question number 5. Question number 5 is, it will be true to classify India as a food deficient economy, a labor surplus economy, a trade surplus economy, a capital surplus economy. What will be true? If we classify Indian economy, it can be classified as a labor surplus economy. So we will go with option B here. Question number 6. Question number 6 is, which one among the following states has the highest density of population? Options are Bihar, Kerala, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh. Which one among the following states has the highest density of population? Last census was done in the year 2011, and after that it has not been done so far. So we will take data for that, and from there we know Bihar has the highest density of population amongst all states in India. So we will go with A, Bihar. Question number 7. Question number 7. When was the first train started? Question number 7. When was the first train steamed off in India? Options are 1848, 1853, 1875, 1881. When was the first train steamed off in India? And it was steamed off in India in 1853 for the first time from Mumbai to Thane. So 1853 will be correct answer. We will go with option B. Question number 8. The Blue Revolution is related to fish production, food grain production, oilseed production, milk production. The Blue Revolution is related to your answer. Please mark your answer and cross check it with our answers. Correct answer for this will be fish production. Blue Revolution is related to fish production. So A option will be correct in this case. Question number 9. Renminbi is the currency of, options are China, Taiwan, North Korea, South Korea. Renminbi is the currency of, mark your answer. The correct answer for this will be A, China. Renminbi is the currency of China. Let us now see question number 10. Minerals are deposited and accumulated in, options are sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, igneous rocks, none of the above. Correct answer for this is, mark your answer in your notebook. Yes, minerals are deposited and accumulated in. The correct answer for this will be A, sedimentary rocks. Question number 11. The largest producer of milk in the world is, options are Brazil, America, India, Japan. The largest producer of milk in the world is, your options, Brazil, America, India, Japan. Please mark your answer. The correct answer for this is C, India. India is the largest producer of milk in the world. Let us see question number 12 now. The most densely populated continent in the world is, the most densely populated continent in the world is, options are Asia, Europe, Africa, South America. And correct answer, mark your answer. Which one is most densely populated continent? Asia, Europe, Africa, South America are the options. And among these options, Europe is the correct answer. Which one of the following was the earlier name of Tokyo? As we all know, Tokyo Olympic is going on there. We are concerned with the earlier name of Tokyo. Which one of the following was the earlier name of Tokyo? Options are Osaka, Kyoto, Samurai, Edo. Osaka, Kyoto, Samurai, Edo. And the correct answer for this is D, Edo. Ancient name of Tokyo was Edo. And it is very old city, not that much. It is old around 400 years. So the history of Tokyo is 400 years old. And its ancient name was Edo. Now let us move to question number 14. Which of the following is most elastic? Options are rubber, wet clay, steel, plastic. Which of the following is most elastic? Rubber, wet clay, steel, plastic. Amongst these, steel is most elastic. So your option should be steel. Let us move on to question number 15 now. The loudness of the sound depends upon. The loudness of the sound depends upon velocity, pitch, amplitude, wavelength. And mark your answer. Mark your answer in your notebook. Options A, B, C, D. A is velocity, B pitch, C amplitude, D wavelength. And correct answer for this will be amplitude, C. Loudness is dependent upon amplitude and pitch is dependent upon its frequency. So loudness of the sound will depend upon its amplitude. Question number 16. Rangaswamy Cup is associated with. Options are wrestling, football, hockey, golf. Rangaswamy Cup is associated with which game? Options are wrestling, football, hockey, golf. Mark your answer. Yes. Its correct answer is C, hockey. Let us see question number 17 now. Chemical formula of common salt is H2O, HCl, KCl, NaCl. Chemical formula of common salt is H2O, HCl, KCl, NaCl. H2O is for water, HCl is hydrochloric acid, KCl is potassium chloride and NaCl is sodium chloride. And correct answer for this is sodium chloride, NaCl. Which of the following is used in thermometers? Question number 18 is, which of the following is used in thermometers? Zinc, lead, mercury, tin. Correct answer for this, mark your correct answer. A, B, C, D. A is zinc, B is lead, C is mercury and D is tin. And correct answer is mercury. Nowadays we have electronic thermometers also, which does not use any of these. Actually, this is traditional one in which mercury is used, and sometimes water is also used in place of mercury in some thermometer for measuring day to day temperature. So, correct answer for question number 18 will be C, mercury. Question number 19, where is the headquarter of United Nations Environment Program, UNEP? Options are The Hague, Nairobi, New York, Washington DC. Where is the headquarter of the United Nations Environment Program, UNEP? The Hague, Nairobi, New York, Washington. Mark your answer. Yes. And correct answer for this is Nairobi. Nairobi is capital city of Kenya, and it is the headquarter of the United Nations Environment Program, UNEP. Let us move to question number 20. The god who is most prominent in Rig Veda is. That means the god who has appeared most number of times in Rig Veda. We need to answer from the options. Options are Indra, Agni, Pasupati, Vishnu. And correct answer for this is, mark your answer. Yes, the god who is most prominent in Rig Veda is, and its correct answer is Indra. A. Indra has appeared for so many times or most number of times. Please subscribe MNC Education if you have not done it so far, and press the bell icon so that you get notifications for upcoming videos. There are so many videos uploaded already, and there are so many in the lineup. So please subscribe MNC Education. Now we will see question number 21. Question number 21 is, the ancient name of North Bihar was. Options are Avanti, Vats, Vajji, Sursena. Ancient name of North Bihar was Avanti, Vats, Vajji, Sursena. Mark your answer in your notebook and cross check it with us. And the correct answer for this is C, Vajji. Now we will see question number 22. Question number 22 is, the great lawgiver of ancient time was. The great lawgiver of ancient times was Manu, Vatsyayan, Ashoka, Aryabhatta. And correct answer for this, mark your answer. What should be the answer for this? The great lawgiver of ancient times, and it is Manu. A. Option A, Manu. Manu was the great lawgiver of ancient times. Question number 23. Who led the salt satyagraha with Mahatma Gandhi? Options are Annie Besant, Mridul Sarabhai, Muthu Lakshmi, Sarojini Naidu. Who led the salt satyagraha with Mahatma Gandhi? Annie Besant, Mridula Sarabhai, Muthu Lakshmi, Sarojini Naidu. Mark your answer. Yes. Correct answer for this is D, Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu led the salt satyagraha with Mahatma Gandhi. Salt satyagraha is also known as Dandi March, as we all know. Now let us move to question number 24. Finance bill of Indian government is presented in. Options are Upper House, Lower House, Legislative Council, Legislative Assembly. Finance bill of Indian government is presented in. Now they are talking about finance bill of Indian government. They are not asking us about finance bill of state government of Indian states. So the correct answer will be, mark your answer, it will be answer option B, lower house. Lower house is also known as House of Commons, and in lower house actually MPs are elected directly by the people of India. So it is known as lower house, and upper house, which is also known as Rajya Sabha in Hindi, and lower house is known as Lok Sabha in Hindi. So finance bill of Indian government is presented in lower house, that is in Lok Sabha. Let us move to question number 25. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through, options are India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. The Tropic of Cancer, as we all know, we have Tropic of Cancer, then equator, and then we have Tropic of Capricorn. And Tropic of Cancer is in the northern hemisphere, while Tropic of Capricorn is in the southern hemisphere. And the question is about Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. Options are India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and amongst these options Pakistan is the correct answer. That means through Pakistan Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. I hope you have enjoyed today's session on general knowledge. This session had 25 very important questions which can be asked in any examination, including UPSC, State PCS, SSC CGL and State SSC, and in any other examination in which general knowledge is being asked or general knowledge is in its syllabus. Thank you so much for being with us. Thanks a lot. We will be here again with another set of general knowledge questions. Until then, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being with us. Thanks a lot. Enjoy yourself.